What goes into the Cosori Original electric glass kettle? It might seem like an obvious question, but the answer isn't so simple. Our kettle is made with high-quality materials and supported by a powerful base to quickly deliver the final ingredient for your favorite treats. With its special LED indicator, the kettle even lets you know the moment your water is ready. Plus, the wide opening supports easy cleanup and descaling, so you'll never grow tired of finding new things to brew.
This kettle is extremely high quality with a sleek look that blends into any kitchen nicely. It's extremely easy to use with touch controls and a setting to keep warm for up to 30 minutes. I think what I love most about this kettle is the temperature settings for specific types of tea though. These settings include temperatures from 160 degrees to boiling, which makes the process stress-free. I use this kettle every night before bed to make tea, and it's made my nighttime routine honestly just so much easier.
Meet the Bodum Melior Gooseneck Electric Water Kettle. Electric gooseneck kettle, ideal for use with pour-over coffee maker's 0.8 liter/27-ounce capacity. Elegant, ergonomic design that gives you full control over the speed and consistency of the water flow for optimum pour-over brewing. Made of attractive, durable stainless steel. Non-slip handle and knob made from natural, sustainable cork that protects your hands and is supremely comfortable to use. Stylish base with easy-to-use power switch and automatic shutoff for peace of mind. Cordless kettle for convenience.